This is how you reset the keyboard dictionary on your phone. The reason you might want to do this is because it resets all the autocorrect features on your phone, including custom words and slang that your phone may have learned over time. Believe it or not, your autocorrect learns as you use your phone. Mine is a pretty slow learner because it still makes a lot of mistakes, but apparently it learns stuff. So this is how you reset whatever it has learned so far in its journey. So we tap on Settings, and then we go to General. Scroll down to the very bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset. Here we have Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This is what's going to do it. Reset all the autocorrect and all the slang words and everything like that. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm happy with how my autocorrect works, but all you do is you tap that button and you tap a yes, I want to do this button a few times to confirm, and then your autocorrect is reset and you can start from scratch with your autocorrect. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it and it needs to be done. So check out that video because I'll show you how.